This is my rocket. It took me about 30 minutes to build, and I used these fireworks, flashing fountain fireworks, for the rocket part, and I basically just used a toilet paper thing and some paper and tape. So I think it's pretty cool. I mean, like I said, it only took me 30 minutes, so I hope it flies good.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's good. Alright. So this is launch day. After a few malfunctions, let's see if this puppy lights.
Steady. Crash and burn.
No, my rocket! Oh my god.
Houston, we have a problem.
What the heck? This is the aftermath of my first rocket launch. Didn't go so well. As you can see, it burned through my launch pad, and there's nothing left of the rocket except for half of a little burner and a bolt. So yeah, that's about it.